let's do some potential energy questions together. Okay, first let's start with question 2, question 4, and question 5. So what we want to do is we want to list variables, right? So that we don't have to keep looking back and forth to our paper. Okay, so let's do that. Number 2. Okay, and leave lots of space because you know you need to. Okay, and always label what you're doing so you can find it later to look back at your questions. Okay, number 2 says we're putting a book on a chair. What's the potential energy of a book? Okay, so we might need the top part of the question there. Okay, it says there's a book that's 1.25 kilograms. So let's put that, or 1.2 kilograms, not 2.5. Okay, and we want to know the potential energy of the book. Okay, and that's going to be in joules. And now we need G for gravity if we're doing potential energy. Okay, and we're still on Earth, so we're going to do 9.81 meters per second. And we need a height. Okay, let's see if we can find a height. It says it's putting on a chair. So in that diagram, we have the height on the chair is 45 centimeters. Okay, now right away I'm looking at centimeters and going, nope, we don't want that, we want meters. Okay, so that would be 0.45 meters, right? Divide by 100. Okay, and let's write down our variables for question 4 and get that ready. Okay, so I'll put EP practice. Number 4. Okay, and let's scroll up a little so we can see it. So we have 500 pieces of paper. That's great. There's a number. Maybe we don't need it. Maybe we do. Has a potential energy of 22 joules. There's a number we do need. Okay, on the shelf relative to the desk, what is the mass of the paper? Oh, did I write it down properly? 3.20 kilograms. Gravity we know. Height. And, oh, it's good. And the height on the where? Shelf. Relative to the desk. Okay, so we want to do relative to the desk. Okay, they might want us to subtract them then. Okay, the height of the shelf relative to the height of the desk. So let's start with that, and if that's not the right height, let's recalculate it. Okay, so I'm going to start with 140 centimeters and take away 70 centimeters, and that's 0.7 meters. Okay, and yeah, I'm assuming that's what we're going to be working with, is if the book fell off the shelf onto the desk. Okay, but we'll see. And we wanted to know mass of the paper. Oh, that's the answer. Okay, this is what we're trying to find out here. Okay, and then let's do question 5. I've got a different acceleration due to gravity. That's fun. Okay, so the gravity on the moon, they're giving us as 1.64. Okay, and oh, good. Girl power, lunar lander, very nice. Like the Artemis mission. 2.8 meters, so that would be height. Okay, if your mass, including the spacesuit, is 71 kilograms, what's the potential energy? Okay, and we're going to hope that it ends up being 326. Okay, and if that's not what we get for an answer, then we will look and find out why. All right, so let's get back to it. Okay, let's go to number 2 and make it big. All right, so for potential energy, okay, just plain old potential energy, we are going to grab this formula here. Okay, EP equals mgh, so let's write that down. Step 1, that's variables. Step 2, write formula. Step 3, plug in numbers. $1.2 times 9.81 times 0.45, 5.2974. Okay, significant digits, we're only allowed 2. So 5.3 joules. Okay, let's see if that's what the answer said it was. And if not, let's find out why. 5.3 joules. Hey, we win. And let's put that in a box. All right. Next one, let's see if we can get 3.2 as an answer for our mass. Okay, so in this case, we need to find mass. So we're going to use this formula, EP divided by GH. Let's write that down. 1 variables, 2 formula. Step 3, plug in our numbers. $3.2. Hooray! And let's be in the habit of writing all these. Okay, and then putting our significant digits. And putting our units all the way along. Okay, number 5. EP equals MGH again here. Okay, and this is all in meters and kilograms, meters per second squared. We're happy about that. Okay, we have good units. So 71 times 10.64 times 2.8. Okay, did we get 326? We did. Hooray.